welcome to GMT Plugs Trading Hub, and I'm going to show you a live withdrawing my commissions from VALIX Trades. From VALIX Trades. Okay, so first of all, you need to have an account like what you see on your screen. This is their website page, so you need to have a username and the password. Okay, so I'm going to put my uh, username there, and I'm going to sign in. Okay, so after signing in, this is my dashboard, and you can see so far we have how much. So far we have this is what we have. Okay, this is what we have, guys. 210. So for you to for you to withdraw, so far you need to have uh, a minimum of $50. This is the minimum withdraw. So once you have a $50 in your account, you can withdraw. Until further notice, maybe they will reduct it, they will reduce it to maybe to 25 or 20. Okay, but so far it's $50. Perfect. So what do we do here now? After that, you need to go to the menu. Okay, this is our menu. Okay, so you're going to click the menu here. As you can see, this is our menu. So I'm going to click the menu here like this, and then you go to earnings. You're going to click earnings here, guys. Okay, so you click on earnings. Okay, perfect. This one here. So let's click earnings, and then you go straight and you click this one here, request payouts. So withdrawals are only be done on Sunday. That's when the withdraw window is opened. Okay, so we're going to click payout request like this, and after clicking payout request, you will see your payout request is how much. This is what you have in your balance, 210.68. So here it shows the withdrawal rules. Minimum withdraw is $50, and then we have a processing fee of 10%, and the payout method is USDT baby 20. That's what we have so far, USD baby 20. Okay, perfect. Then here you're going to paste your address like that, and then you're going to put your amount. So check address careful, network should be babe 20. So I'm going to click maximum, and this is what the fee 10%, which is $21. Okay, and then this is what I'm going to receive in my wallet. Okay, this is what I'm going to receive in my wallet, 189. Okay, 0.61. So let's send a request like this, and then perfect. OTP sent, check your email to proceed. Now before doing that, you need to do what? Before doing that, you need to come here to uh, come here to settings, and then you need to pass KYC. It's just taking just minutes, so you need to pass KYC for you to qualify for the withdrawal. So now we have to go to our email to get the OTP. So let's go to the email, and you can see this is welcome to VALIX Trades. You appreciate uploading your KYC documents. So we are going to pick the OTP, VALIX Trades account verification there, and this is our OTP. Okay, so we are going to paste it here like that. So we have two lights. Okay, it is Q, and then it is UX. Okay, small letter UX. Okay, sorry, UX. UX again, ACT. ACT. Then you click verify OTP. Enter the verification code sent to the email. Okay, I think another one has been sent. Let's see. Oh, we have made a mistake. It is Q. Let me repeat. It is Q. Okay. And then UX small letter. UX small letter. And then it is the AC. A and C is capital letter. A and C. And then T is the small letter. Then we click verify OTP, and request submitted to the admin successful. Okay, so now we have zero balance here. You can see we have zero balance. And now if you come here down, you can see January USDT still pending. Okay, so let's see, there is an email, I think. Okay, it shows what the welcome to VALIX TRADE, dear Joshua. The bonus payout has been received and is being processed. That's the username and that's the wallet address. So this is the amount that is the payout. Okay, so we have to wait and see what and receive our payment. So we expect to receive our payment from where? We expect to receive our payments to our Binance account. Now, the Binance account, as you can see, it is what? The Binance account that you can see, it has what balance, so that we know exactly how much was being added to our existing account. Okay, so this is our Binance. It has $54. Okay, so we expect now with that additional, we are going to see an increment. Okay, so this is how you withdraw your earnings. And I want to tell you guys, this is my first withdraw with this project. And within 2 days, then that's what I've made within 2 days. You can see how much we can make in a long way if we decide to do it. So whoever gonna share with you this video, please ask them how do they make money. So I'm gonna drop my referral link on the description. Let's maximize the opportunity. We are still on a pre-launch. Business is going live 24th. That's when the launching, 24th January. That's when the launching is going to happen. So make sure that you take it very much serious. Thank you so much and see you next time.